Hi, so this is our first session with Pandas and I will make sure that you will learn it effectively. So what is basically Pandas? Pandas is nothing but a advanced Python library used to analyze the data. So let's get started. How do we import a library? We just say import Pandas as PD. Here PD is nothing but a alias. Okay, so in order to analyze the data, the first thing we will be needing is the data itself. So how do we get it? Let's find a way to create it. So this is the way I created df1 equal to pd dot data frame. Here d is capital, f is capital, and let's say some random values. India, comma, independence year 1947. Let's say its population 1.3 billion. Okay, so this will constitute my first row. So let's replicate this. The second one is Pakistan 1947 and population is 300 million. The next thing I can give a Sri Lanka, independence year 1948 and 100 million, let's say. Okay, so these are our three rows. Then what we can do, we need to give a heading, column heading, column as columns equal to country, independence year, and population. Let's say if I run this, oh, I'm getting an error. So let's say what it is. Okay, so as this is a tool dimension, okay, so if I just say df1, I will get a sweet looking data set. So this is how we create a data frame. Then here you can observe that we are getting indexes which is generated automatically 0 1 2. So what we can do, we can just perform some operations on it which we will be seeing into our next chapter.